Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the KB5101650 security update not installing on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, restart your PC and check for updates again. If the update still won't install, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then click Troubleshoot. After that, click Additional Troubleshooters, select Windows Update, and then click Run the Troubleshooter. Next, open Command Prompt as Administrator and run the following commands. I've also included these commands in the description. After the scans are complete, restart your PC. If the problem continues, reset the Windows Update components or manually download the correct KB update from the Microsoft Update catalog. If you're using a Dell PC, Microsoft has temporarily paused the KB5101650 update on some devices due to a compatibility issue. You'll need to wait until the updated version is released. That's it. One of these methods should fix the KB5101650 or KB5099414 installation issue on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.